Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason your PowerPoint file is just not saving. Now, what does this mean? Well, as you know, PowerPoint is a massively popular application, and there's a lot of ways that you can go through and basically, save out your files. Number one, if you're using the online version or even the, public version, the desktop app, try restarting PowerPoint. So try going through, and if you're able to, if you have the online version, it's automatically going to save. So you don't really have to do anything special within the online version. If you have the desktop app, try seeing if you can either close that of PowerPoint, opening it back up. But if you're afraid the file was never saved, before you do that, I would recommend saving your file as a new file. So if you click on the top left corner right up here, there's going to be a little file button. So on this tab right here, there's a file button. Tap on file, and hopefully on your side you should be able to see like a save as button. For me, I don't have that. This is the online version, but even on the online version, if it's being weird, you can also click on export. You can also export it out, maybe as like a PDF or an image. You can also click create a copy. You can also download a copy online if you want to. So you have a few different ways to do it. That's another thing I'd probably recommend doing in this particular situation as well. On top of that, if that's not working, you might want to double check the name of that file. If the name of that file has like a bunch of special characters in it, if it has like dashes and different things like that, that might also cause some problems. So go through and make sure that's not causing a problem. But if you do have the online version, this icon right here will signify that that was kind of already saved. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.